Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so this is just a quick blogging update. There you go, try and say that again. Quick blogging update. Yeah, I said blogging. Stop sniggering. Yeah, the last couple of weeks I've been working, videoing, editing, working, videoing, editing. So today I've got a bit of running around to do for work, and I'm going to do a bit on the website, try and get the website ready to get uploaded. Plus also it's going to get a bit hectic because we got a car show Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon, going to be taking a centre console out, ready to be painted, and then Sunday evening I've got to work. Then Monday morning, first thing Monday morning, it's down to Nick at Cars with Scars. We're going to paint the centre console silver. And then back home from there, and got to work Monday evening. So won't be able to do any editing on either of those two videos till at least Tuesday morning. So both of those videos are probably not going to be up till late next week. So I'm really sorry, I'm not going to be uploading anything between now, this video, and next week. Yeah, the car's running quite well at the moment. There's no real major problems. A couple of little jobs I've got to do on it some point through the year before we get back to the cold weather. The cold weather's already here in June. So really it's back to concentrating on projects, upgrades, renovational kind of stuff, which brings us to the interior really, because as I say, Nick is going to be painting the centre console. So the seats are done, the roll bars are done. Nick's doing the centre console on Monday. That leaves the dash, door panels and seat belts. Now, because I'm so busy, I might actually ask Nick if he is interested in finishing the dash for me, so that that's ready to go in. The door panels shouldn't be a major problem to do. The seat belts might be a bit involved fitting those, because I'm not completely sure. They're not original Porsche seat belts, but they do say that they are a direct replacement fit. That's the red seat belts for it. And then that pretty much takes care of the interior. Then of course it's finishing the outside. As you know, I had the wheels refurbed, caught one a little bit but not too bad. Had the bumper done, so that's all done. I've got a little bit of bodywork to be done on the back near side. I've got a bit of a rust scab on there, which I've never seen on any other Boxster, so it's a bit weird. But yeah, that Nick will be dealing with that probably later this year, and then it will be sort out the rear wings and rear spoilers for it. So that will be the body, sort of the restyle of the body, kind of GT4, GT3 look, cross between the Cayman and the GT3 911. So the bodywork we got planned for, the interior we got planned for. Regards to the way the car's running, a couple of small jobs. What I do want to do is get the engine and engine bay cleaned and detailed. Now, I mean, in the old days, it wasn't a major problem. You just go and find someone with an industrial steam cleaner and blast the living daylights out of it, and then you just go home and clean and paint. But now, of course, you've got all the electronical shit that's on the engines nowadays, which is hypersensitive to water and pressure washers and that. So the cleaning process has got to be a little more delicate. Now I don't have the time, and I've asked around 3 or 4 local valeting services, mobile valeting services, and they're not interested in doing the engine or the engine bay. They don't want to know, which is crazy. It's part of valeting, it's part of detailing, you know. And keeping the engine bay clean and tidy is important because it makes it easy to find oil leaks, water leaks, and it makes it better when you're working on the engine because you stay cleaner. So, if anybody out there is reasonably local to me that does or is prepared to take on valeting the engine and detailing the engine, or if you know of anybody, please let me know in the comments box below. Obviously I want someone that's happy to be in a video, that's happy to make a video out of the job so that you guys can see the engine like before and after of being cleaned and all that malarkey. So yeah, that's it really for this vlog. With that, I'm going to go and finish doing the running around I've got to do. So, as always, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. If you like my videos and you like this video, please click the like button. And if you press the little notification bell, you will be notified when I bring out any new videos. So, once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.